DIY liquid eyeshadow is simple with TKB Mousse Medium. First, weigh your mousse medium. 10 grams makes 2 5 ml liquid eyeshadows. Next, mix in 20 to 40% of your favorite mica color. This duochrome mica is called TKB Red Oak. Stir ingredients together until you no longer see any clumps. Now you're ready to fill a container of your choice. Filling is easy with a syringe or a Ziploc bag. Prep your tube, wiper, and applicator wand. Insert the syringe or open corner of a Ziploc bag into the tube to fill. Here's your finished, ready-to-use liquid eyeshadow. All items can be found at tkbtrading.com. Start creating with TKB Mousse Medium today.